This is not magic. This is a real science experiment. When you punch a hole in the bottom of a bowl, it shatters. But if you put the bowl in water, you can easily punch a round hole without it breaking. This is the cushioning effect of water. Take out some nearly expired chewing gum, mold it into a cone shape, and quickly throw it at the gum while it's not paying attention. The coconut is easily opened. This is the power of non-Newtonian fluids. Poke a small hole in a beer bottle cap, tap the bottle, and the beer will gush out quickly. This is the principle of an atomic bomb explosion. Take a white rose, cut the stem into 4 parts, and place each part into different dyes. Let it sit for a few hours and you will have a beautiful, dreamy rainbow rose. Place a glass in front of an arrow, pour clear water into it, and you will find that the arrow magically changes direction. This is the principle of light refraction. Clamp a piece of paper between 2 magnets, then place a nail and a dry cell battery. Connect them with a wire and the positive terminal of the battery to the magnet. The paper will start spinning rapidly. This is the working principle of an electric fan. Cut the potato into 3 small cubes. Use toothpicks to string the small cubes together, then place them tip to tip with another upright toothpick and they won't fall. You have successfully made a potato balancing burn, which demonstrates the principle of torque balance. Place a burning candle on a wet paper towel and cover it with an inverted glass. After the candle goes out, the glass is firmly sucked in place, and it won't form even if you place 4 cups of water on it. This demonstrates the power of atmospheric pressure. Take a plastic tube and aim a hairdryer at the tube's opening. The ping-pong balls will rush out of the plastic tube, illustrating the airflow. Insert a pencil into a water-filled bag and keep inserting more pencils. Even with many pencils, the bag won't leak a drop of water. What to do if you can't open a can? Just soak it in hot water for a minute and then you can easily open the can. This is thermal expansion and contraption. Align the ends of aluminum foil with the positive and negative terminals of a battery and you've made an igniter yourself. Isn't it amazing? Insert an iron piece and a copper piece into a potato, connect them with wires, and you can power an electronic watch. This is Electron. Place a black balloon inside a white balloon, inflate it, and put it under sunlight. Use a magnifying glass to focus, and you can remotely burst the black balloon inside. Draw a little warm water into a syringe, then block the syringe opening with your index finger and pull the plunger forcefully, and the warm water will actually start boiling again. Don't underestimate a small piece of orange peel. It can not only easily burst a balloon, but also turn a candle into a flamethrower. Place a balloon over a bottle, put it in hot water, and it will expand. Put it in ice water, and it will deflate. This is thermal expansion and contraction. A suspended card has no load-bearing capacity, but if you fill the cup with water, the card will have a strong load-bearing capacity. This is the surface tension of water. Place a little potassium permanganate on a wooden board, then add a few drops of leftover glycerin, and after waiting 10 seconds, you can survive in the wild. What if there's only one battery in the remote control? Simply use a piece of wire to connect the positive and negative terminals of the remote, and it will work normally. Place an iron needle on a magnet and rub it quickly to magnetize the needle. Place an iron needle on a magnet and rub it quickly to magnetize the needle. Then place it on a piece of paper on the water